86. Describe the translation of each with respect to the graph y equals x squared. So A is y equals x squared plus 1. What the heck does it do when you add 1 to the graph? It's at the very end. It's not with the x. So it would just be up 1, right?
Oh, okay.
B y equals x minus 1 squared.
Go down.
Which way?
Right one.
It's with the x. So it's going to go in the x direction, but it's going to go in the opposite way you would think. So you would think left because it's minus, but it's actually going to go right 1. C, y equals x plus 1 squared. Once again, it's with the x. It's going to go in the x direction. It's going to go in the opposite way you would think, so it'll go left 1. And D, y equals x squared minus 1.
Down.
Down 1. Hopefully there's a bunch of these on the exam, huh?
Yay.
I think there is like 4 of them.
Awesome.
4 or 5 of them, yeah. 87. Multiply the polynomials. Two x minus 3. 4x squared minus x plus 5. Alright, to multiply these, I'll take the 2x and distribute it to everything in the second polynomial. So it'll be 8x cubed minus 2x squared plus 10x. Then I'll move on to the negative 3 and multiply that by everything in the polynomial. So it'll be minus 12x squared plus 3x minus 15. Then we combine some like terms. I got minus 14x squared plus 13x and minus 15. All right, 88. Which cannot be a solution for 6x cubed minus 4x squared plus g of x, or plus gx minus 8 equals 0. Which cannot be a solution of the equation for any value of g. Synthetic division. With those fractions? All those? Look at our answers. What kind of numbers are those? If we were to classify those numbers, the answers. They're real. And we'll be a little bit more specific. Rational.
Rational.
Rational numbers, right? Those are rational numbers. So how are we going to figure out which one of those cannot be an answer?
Oh, the possible rational roots.
If we make a list of the possible rational roots, we can determine which one of those cannot be a rational root. Okay. Possible rational roots would be the factors of what? Factors of the 8, or negative 8 if you want, over the factors of what? 6. Good. Alright, so the factors of 8 are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, and plus or minus 8. The factors of 6, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, and plus or minus 6. So now let's turn them into actual numbers. I'll take each denominator one at a time. So I'm going to put all those numbers over 1 first. plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 8. And then we'll put them all over 2. Plus or minus 1/2. Plus or minus 2 over 2 I got, 4 over 2 I got, and 8 over 2, that's 4. I got that also, right? So go to the 3 now. 1/3, 2/3, 4/3, and 8/3. And then 1/6. Oops. 1/6. And then 2 over 6 is 1/3, we got that. 4 over 6 is 2/3, we got that. And 8 over 6 is 4/3, we got that. So this is the list of possible rational roots. Can't be, if it's a rational answer, it's gotta be here. Looks like C, because I got an 8 on the bottom. Yeah. So we probably could have determined that a little earlier. It was good practice.
Yeah. Practice was perfect.
Yeah. Okay. 89. Any question on 88?
No.
Good call. Coming up with a list of possible rational roots.
Nice job, man.
Yeah. All right, 89. Given each graph, choose the correct function. All right, these are absolute value graphs. If you remember from, it was chapter 1 at the very end. Y equals absolute value of x just looks like a V, right? That vertex is at the origin, opens up. So this looks like it's moved 2 places to the left, right? Graph 1. So to move it 2 places to the left, what I gotta do? I gotta add 2 with the x, right? So it'll end up being B. Graph 2. 2 places up. What do you think?
G.
G?
Yeah.
Graph 3. 2 places to the right. A. And 2 down.
H.
H.
Gotcha.
Everybody okay with those?
Yes.
That's 8 questions we've had about translations on the review so far.
Really good.
Maybe it's important.
Maybe.
Oh, look, another one.
Yay.
90. Which function is best to match with the graph shown?
Ah. The only thing that has is C.
It's C, isn't it?
Yes. Parabola.
It is a parabola. Any questions so far? A B, if it's absolute value. And parabola is quadratic. Yeah. All right, 91. Oh, that's